This exercise will teach you to breathe through your abdomen. Many people get into a habit of breathing through their upper chest and shoulders. This creates tension and results in a shallow breathing pattern. The natural way to breathe is felt lower in the abdomen. This allows you to take deeper breaths, calms your mind, and relaxes your muscles. To practice this technique, you'll need lightweight that won't roll around. Something like a beanbag, a book, or a flat stone. Lay down on your back and make yourself comfortable. You can place a pillow under your knees and a rolled up towel under your neck for additional support. Lay the weight on top of your stomach, over your belly button. Let your arms rest comfortably at your sides. Now breathe in slowly through your nose and allow your abdomen to expand and lift the weight. Now exhale slowly through your mouth and let the weight drop. Again, deeply inhale through your nose down into your abdomen. Exhale slowly through your mouth and feel the weight lower. Good. As you inhale through your nose, focus on your abdomen expanding. And as you exhale through your mouth, let your abdomen contract and feel the weight dropping. Keep going. Let your breath lift the weight naturally. Allow the movement to be gentle. Don't force your stomach out. Try to keep your chest relaxed and still. Let your diaphragm do the work as the weight rises and falls. Inhale and exhale as deeply as possible. As your abdomen expands, it creates space for your lungs, drawing in the breath. As your abdomen contracts, it pushes out the air, allowing the other muscles in your chest and shoulders to relax. You're doing a great job. Continue for a few more deep breaths and focus on the weight. Rising and falling. Rising and falling. When you are ready to end the exercise, slowly sit up and notice how you feel. Try to practice abdominal breathing throughout your day and enjoy the benefits of deep breathing.